All right, we're going to cut across live to the Sydney Olympic Park. I believe Rahul Kanwal is standing by to get your reactions after Narendra Modi's 80-minute speech. Rahul, over to you.
You're watching the headlines today's special broadcast. The Prime Minister has just finished speaking, and I want to cut across first to a very special guest, Ramesh Chandra, the cartoonist whose dream it was to see Narendra Modi. और आखिरकार आपका सपना पूरा हुआ, मोदी जी आए आपसे मिले।
पहले आके मुझे मिले, इसलिए समथिंग अनयूजुअल मिले और बोले तबीयत को थोड़ा ठीक करो, ऐसी सेवा करते रहो, तुम आगे तरक्की करते रहो।
आपने क्या बोला मोदी जी को?
मुझे आपका आशीर्वाद ही देना, और क्या होता है। मुझे बहुत बेहद खुशी हो गई आपको मिलके। इट्स अनयूजुअल थिंग फ्रॉम a fellow distant fellow from ordinary fellow. He just calling from Delhi to come and meet me. That was his, and he complete. As soon as came inside, he first met me. How are you?
पहले आपसे?
हाँ, पहले आपसे मिले।
जानते हैं आप?
हाँ, नहीं जानना कुछ है, वो याद रखते हो। दिल्ली से टेलीफोन किए थे मुझे, आप आना चाहिए।
उन्होंने आपको फोन किया?
हाँ, आपको मालूम है सब।
अच्छा, ये बताएं कैसा महसूस हुआ आपको जब आपकी मुलाकात हुई पीएम?
बेहद खुशी हो, इससे मेरे लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी खुशी कभी नहीं हुई। तो ऐसी बात है, ऐसे बड़े आदमी से कितना है, डायनामिक पर्सन, इट्स नॉट ऑर्डिनरी।
आपने प्रधानमंत्री की ये स्पीच सुनी यहाँ पर, भाषण कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा, बेहद अच्छा। इससे कोई इतना ये मिसमराइज कर देते आप सब, इसमें कुछ ये नहीं।
सबसे जो प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला उसमें कौन सी बात आपको खास लगी?
सबको बहुत, उनके जो अचीवमेंट्स है ना, वो जो कर रहे हैं ना, he gave quite a good account of all this thing and what he wants to do it. And it's very appealing, every ordinary people, they want some change, they are fed up with all this nonsense, all this sort of British rules and other things, which are not applicable now. It's no use now, and they are purposely using it for their own sake. All this government, this thing, they are used for their own sake, not for it. Even in banking also, all people, all banking staff, they are doing their own things. They are making all their facilities, they are using themselves. They never give anything, and you can see so many buildings, other things, they are meant for banking.
अच्छा, ये बताएं, जब से आप आए हैं, आप ये पोटली लेके घूम रहे हैं, आपने दिखाया नहीं, आप दिखाएंगे हमारे दर्शकों को, कि आप दिखाएंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि आप क्या लाए थे मोदी साहब को दिखाने के लिए? एक दो कार्टून उनको दिखाएं। ये कार्टून आपने तैयार किए थे मोदी साहब को दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन आपको कम से कम लगा कि जो आपका एक सपना था, एक आपकी इच्छा थी, वो पूरी हुई। ये आपके कुछ कार्टून्स हैं, तो आज सबसे रेलेवेंट आपके हिसाब से कार्टून कौन सा रहा? इसमें आपका सबसे ज्यादा पसंदीदा कार्टून कौन सा है? इसके बारे में बताएं।
ये है जनाब,
ये क्यों है?
भारत माता वो अपने शेर पर मोदी जी को बिठाए, लाड से बच्चों को बिठाते हैं, जैसे स्कूटर पे हमको राउंड फिराओ, तो ऐसा उन्होंने उसको इससे कर दी, उसका all sort of this thing.
आपको उम्मीद थी इस तरीके से कि आपको पीएम से मिलने का मौका मिले?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं तो अपने खुशी में कर दिया, उनको यादगार करते हुए उसके पर्सनैलिटी का एक इतना जबरदस्त ये हुआ, क्यों ना मैं कुछ करूं, और मैं कर ही क्या सकता, यही कर कुछ तो कर। और बेहद मुझे, और सब उसके रीडिंग्स वगैरह मैं पढ़ते रहा, आपके सब जर्नल्स वगैरह उनके बारे में वगैरह।
आपकी फैमिली आज यहाँ पर है?
फैमिली ये बहू है, अच्छा आज है, बाकी सब
बहुत खुशी की बात है, क्योंकि आपके इस खुशी में पूरा देश जुड़ा है। सबको अच्छा लगा कि रमेश चंद्रा जी को आखिरकार प्रधानमंत्री से मिलने का ये मौका जरूर मिला।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू। वी ऑल्सो हैव द लोकल मेयर काउंसलर हियर इन ताज खान। यस जी, दिखाइए।
ये जो मोदी का ये है ना, पूरा उसमें उनका जो अचीवमेंट्स वगैरह जो है, उसमें एक
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। थैंक यू। इंताज खान is the ward councillor. Tell us, what did you make of the Prime Minister's speech?
Thank you, Rahul. I'm from Rajasthan, India, and I'm a local councillor in Wyndham City, which is part of the Melbourne. And since hearing his speech, I've changed my perception. And can I say...
How have you changed your perception?
I think I didn't believe before what he was saying, but then I saw that what he said, that US, he announced that POI and OSA, he's going to change it, and he did it. And also what he made a remarkable mark to the Indian people like young like you and me saying that, you know, don't need to go to police station and get to certify yourself who you are. And which is, as you know, that we're all born in India, no matter what part of India we're born, but we do face these problems, and we are delighted to be in Australia and enjoy the beauty of, and I think, can I say, and I've seen myself a difference, this is the main we needed. I just only want to say one thing. This guy, this Prime Minister, have a 21st century vision. So he's an innovative Prime Minister, and it's also the enthusiastic who believes in actions and do things. Now, regardless of what people say about him, it's irrelevant to the Indian community.
Thank you so much for joining us with your thoughts. You all heard the Prime Minister's speech. You'd like to share with our viewers what you thought of it? Sure. Okay, we need to go out. Okay, let's walk outside. The cops want us to walk out. Let's just walk out.
Modi ji is witty all the time, as we all know about him.
I can say something else.
Yes, tell us. What did you think of
it? He has announced the visa on arrival. This is the best thing he has done it. So all citizens of Australia can have that benefit to visit India as quickly.
Let's keep walking.
I think it was fantastic. A lot of positives for the Australia-India relationship. And I'm a lawyer in Australia, and I'm looking forward to see
Which
the change.
part of the Prime Minister's speech did you like best?
I think his inspiration when he spoke about how the country, we should all serve the country, even where we are, and things like that. The hundreds of
thousands. Do you intend to build some toilets back home? He asked for people over here in
I do clean toilets, yeah.
He said try and build some back. Wherever you come from in your native land, try and build some. What did you think of the Prime Minister's speech?
It was good. The way he thinks is pretty good. Especially he's talking about the skilled labor, and he wants to keep everything clean. These are the topics no one ever thought of that in the past 60 years. And he's covering all this. It's just his vision. No one can get this vision.
I saw lots of moist eyes, emotional faces.
His passion is amazing.
It's very good. The way he speaks, and there's one more point he described is the dignity for the labor, and that's what we learn in Australia, and that's what we treat in Australia. So I think भारत में हमारे हिंदुस्तान में भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. जो कोई भी है, छोटा है, बड़ा है, वो सब खत्म हो जाना.
If you see people who take a cab, they sit next to the driver. So Modi ji has pinpointed exactly.